Well, thanks for joining me again. Here's a little one. It's been out for a while, but I thought we'd have some fun with this. This has got to go. And you can see it's a nice looking truck. It's a Xperi Motors. Obviously a Hot Wheels. Well, they're always cool colours with Hot Wheels. But look at that. That looks like a toilet. So we all know, because we all go there every day, when you got to go, you got to go. So let's have some fun with this one. So let's open her up. Got to go. And look, it even has a toilet seat that goes up and down. Nice little graphics on it. Cool little grille with lights. Little exhaust pipes on the top. And of course, oh, I didn't know that. Look at that. The toilet seat goes up and down. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, you're always surprised. So you see, sometimes when you're a collector, you don't open things, so you don't know. So there you go. Let's have some fun with it. Let's see who I can find that might want to just test the toilet seat out. I'll be back in a minute. I'll go and find some volunteers. Well, I'm back. These are about the only two guys I could find. So these you get in Hot Wheels and some of the collections with the trolley guys. And they can clip onto a lot of the Hot Wheels. So I've got one volunteer here. And this one, he's sort of halfway in the toilet. But let's see. Very good. Well, you wouldn't believe who I found, but yep, it's the Stig. Now, I reckon this will be the first for the Stig. I don't think anyone's ever seen him in a toilet seat. But anyway, here we go. Oh, yeah, pretty good. I wonder if we can make the Stig sit down on the toilet seat. Let's put him on there. Doesn't fit real well, but let's say, oh, maybe that way on the toilet seat. Whoa, something like that. That could get messy. Now, I don't really think this is good for the Stig's image, being in public sitting on the toilet seat. But let's get his opinion and see if he's smiling under there. Actually, we never know what the Stig is under there, so let's have a look. Whoa, can you see that? He's looking a bit angry with those eyes. I don't think he's too happy about being in public sitting on the toilet. Well, he's nearly fallen in. Anyhow, we better get him out of there. See you, Stig. Just found some other Hot Wheel characters. Here comes one now. They're normally on the back of your motorcycles, on your ATVs. So there he is in there. Look at that, bit of fun in there. He sort of does a 360. Look at that. Not a good look, eh? What's he got on the back? Beach Patrol. Oh, he's a long way from the beach, this guy. Hang on. And look, I found another volunteer. He's hanging on for his life too. Look at that. Ah! And I found another one, look. Another rider. As I said, these are off all the ATVs and some of the Hot Wheel motorbikes. But he's staying on. He's good balance because he rides motorbikes, this guy. So he's okay. Look at that. Pretty good. Woo. Well, you might be asking the same question. Can the poo truck go around the track? So, gotta go. Can it go around the track? Let's see. Well, thanks to all the volunteers for showing us the Gotta Go Hot Wheels toilet truck. Thanks for watching.